Okay, so in the linear programming problem, we will discuss first question. Minimize z is equals to minus 3x plus 4y subject to some constraints, means some conditions are given. So students, observe here, this is called objective function. We have discussed now, which is of the form z is equals to ax plus by, where a and b are constants. Discuss now first definition. So minimize means we have to find the minimum value. Maximize means we have to find the maximum value. Okay. So now the first step is don't touch this function z. That we will touch later. Go for the first condition. What is the first condition? Yes, that condition I will consider. First condition, that is x plus 2y less than or equals to 8. Now what we will do, students, we will replace this inequality by equality. So if I replace this inequality by equality, what will get? X plus 2y is equals to 8. I will call this as equation 1. Now I want to draw the graph of this equation. Is it possible to draw the graph of this equation? Yes. We will substitute x is equal to 0. We will get some y value. We will substitute y is equal to 0. We will get some x value. That we will represent on the graph. In first PUC you have studied the linear inequality, no? Same procedure. So in substitute modana, we will substitute x is equals to 0. If I substitute x is equals to 0, what we will get? 2y is equals to 8. 2 ones are y is equals to. Next, substitute y is equals to 0. If I substitute y is equals to 0, this term is 0. What will we get? X is equals to 8. Is it okay now if I write directly? If I substitute y is equals to 0, directly you will get x is equals to 8. Now what I will do, I will mark these points on the graph. So we will consider the graph here. So clearly you have to mention x dash, x, this is origin, this one is y, this one is y dash. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on. So here it is some two values we will take. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on. So here it is minus 1, minus 2. So tell me the first point, x is equals to 0. What is the value of y? Where it will come, x is equal to 0, y is equals to 4, means where I have to mark? This is x is equals to 0, y is equals to 4, means this point. So we will mark this one. Then our point, which point it is? X is equals to 0, y is equals to 4. Next, x is equals to 8, y value is how much? Means this point, for your understanding I will write here 0, 4. X is equal to 0, y is equals to 4. This point is 8, 0. Where it will come 8, 0 means x value is 8, y value is 0, means here it will come. Which one it is mentioned here? 8, Now using these 2 points, is it possible to join the straight line? We can draw the straight line. So join these 2. Which equation it is? Equation 1. So is it clear procedure? Now the important thing is, students, we have to identify the solution region. Whether solution is this side or solution is opposite of this side. Because 2 sides are there, no, for this line. Here it is one side, this is called lower plane, upper plane like this. This is one side, this is one side. So we have to identify whether solution is in this region or solution is in this region. So for that, what we will do to check the solution, we have to choose any 2 points. Which is not on the boundary of the graph. Please don't take 2 points which is on the boundary. Don't take 8, 0 because it is on the boundary. So standard points always what I will consider is 0, 0. So calculation will be easy. we will take 0, 0 because it is not on the boundary. So let 0, 0 be any point. 0, 0 be any point. Substitute in this original equation, don't substitute here. So x plus 2y less than or equals to 8. Substitute x is equal to 0, y is equals to 0. If I substitute x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 means this term is 0. So what will get? 0 is less than or equals to 8. My dear students, it is a true or false? What it is saying? 8 is greater than 0. 8 is greater than 0 means it is true, no? Whenever you will get true, we got it is true. Remember, whenever you will get answer as a true, solution is lies this side only. Which is our point? 0, 0 is our point, no? So definitely solution is this side only. Suppose we got false, then solution is opposite side, means this side. So now we got solution is, it is a true, therefore solution lies where? Towards origin. Solution lies towards origin, means this side. So just I will mark like this. Clear first one? Any doubt in first one? Everything is in doubt? Clear or not? One condition is over. We will move for the second condition. What is the second condition? Yes, very good. Second one is 3x plus 2y less than or equals to 12. So again same procedure. What ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? 3x plus 2y 12. Call this as equation 2. X is 0 substitute ಮಾಡಿ. What you will get if I substitute x is equal to 0? 2y is equals to 12 means 2 ones are 6 the y is equals to 6. Similarly, y is equals to 0. If I take y is equals to 0, this term is 0. What you will get? 3x is equals to 12. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So x how much you got? 4. Now we can mark these points on the graph. Tell me which is first point. X is equals to 0, y is equals to 6 means this is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6 means somewhere here we will get the point. Next one is x value is 4, y value is 0 means this point. Correct? Now we will join again with the straight line. Which equation it is? Second one. So mark this. Which point it is? 0, 6. Which point it is? 4, 0. Correct? So again what we have to check? What we have to check? Solution region. To check the solution region, which points we will take? Don't take 0, 0. Take any 2 points which does not lie on the boundary. But for our easy calculation purpose, we will take 0, 0. Okay. So let 0, 0 be any point. 0, 0 be any point. Substitute here. 3x plus 2y is less than or equals to 12. So if you substitute 0, 0 is less than or equals to 12. It is true or false, my dear students? True. It is true. Therefore, solution lies towards origin. So towards origin means, students tell me which side? Solution is this side or opposite side? This side. Okay, very good. Over. Then last another one condition is there. What is the last condition? But not least one, third one. X is greater than or equals to 0. Y is greater than or equals to 0. Tell me, x is greater than or equals to means x is positive. Y is greater than or equal to 0 means y is positive. Where x is positive, where y is positive? In which quadrant x is positive, y is positive? First quadrant. So it is nothing but, it is which quadrant? first quadrant. It is first quadrant. So students, now your job is tell me what is the common solution, because I want to shade the common portion. Which common portion we are getting? Look at this. First equation is this side. Second equation is also this side. Where we will get the common portion? Nodri, sariyagi observe madri, you will get which is the common portion. This one, no? Why? This one, why not possible? Only this one is satisfying the condition. Second one is not satisfying. No. Then this one, yes. So this is our feasible region. Feasible region. Okay. After this, I think no problem. Feasible region we got. Just the procedure is consider the line, replace inequality by equality, give some x value, you will get y value. Mark that points, join with the straight line, then identify the solution region by taking 0, 0. For both the lines same, this is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0 means it is in first quadrant, no problem. So mark the region properly. You have mentioned here first quadrant means you have to mention in the first quadrant only. Sometimes the graph will come in second quadrant, third quadrant, so don't mention that shaded region in the second or third quadrant. If here you are mentioning first quadrant means region must be in the first quadrant only. So now listen here my students, all of you, the important thing is with respect to this room we have some corners. With respect to this room we have some corners. This is one corner point, second corner point, there one corner point, there another corner point. So we can consider this is also one area. With respect to this area some corner points are there. That corner points we have to identify. Tell me what are the corner points available here. So with respect to this area, here one corner point is there, second one is there, third one is there, fourth one is there. Okay. So what is this first corner point? I will mention this as a capital A. Which corner point it is? 0, 0. So this one we already know. Which one? B. 8, 0. Sorry, not this one. This one is the corner point. 4, 0. Yes. Then what is the next corner point? This one. But we don't know this one. I will say it is a C, but we don't know this one. Then this point we know D. So students, what happens if you observe in the graph, you will get this point. You can observe in the graph that point is nothing but 2, 3. But what happens? Sometimes you will get the correct point, sometimes you will end up with the wrong answer. Because if the graph we have drawn properly, you will get the correct point. Otherwise, sometimes what happens? You will get the wrong answer. So, to avoid that confusion, what we will do is that point is nothing but intersection of two lines. What are the two lines? That line is nothing but intersection of two lines. Shared line ಕೂಡಿದ ನಂತರ point ಸಿಕ್ಕೈತ್ರಿ. Yes or no? That point is nothing but intersection of the two lines. Now what we will do? We will solve equation, both the equations. Then we will get x value, y value. So what are the two equations? First one and second one. So what we will do? Solving equation 1 and 2. So what is equation, students? Everybody knows. X plus 2y equals to 8. Another one is 3x plus 2y is equals to 12. Is it possible to solve this system of linear equations? So this term is not same, but these terms are same. But sign is the same, means we can change the sign. This is minus, minus, minus. Plus y, 2y minus 2y cancels. X minus 3x is how much? Minus 2x is equals to 8 minus 12 is minus 4. Both side minus minus cancels. 2 ones are. So x is equals to how much we got? I got x is equals to 2. How to find value of y? Yes, put x is equals to 2. Put x is equals to 2 in which equation? Equation 1. What is that equation 1? X plus 2y is equals to 8. 2 plus 2y is equals to 8. 2y is equals to 8 minus 2. 2y is equals to 6. 2 ones are 2 threes are y is equals to 3. So we got that point C is nothing but what? 2, 3. You may ask, sir, we also got the same in the graph. Yes, definitely if you got the point, no problem. But the next few questions are there. Sometimes you will not get exactly correct point. So better we want 6 out of 6 here. Yes or no? So better we will solve the equations, then we will find the points. So now I will write here corner points. Corner points. Tell me, my dear students, what are our corner points? What are our corner points? Capital A 0, 0. Then capital B 4, 0. Capital C 2, 3. Last one is D 0, 4. So now we will consider that this function I have told, no, don't touch this one. Now touch this one. What is that function? Z is equals to minus 3x plus 4y. Minus 3x plus 4y. Now the task is very simple. This is first one is x value, second one is y value. Substitute here, you will get the z value. If I substitute here x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0, z value is how much? 0 only. Now substitute x is equals to 4 here, y is equals to 0. Y is equal to 0 means this will be 0. So if you substitute 4, how much you will get? Minus 12. Yes. Next, substitute x is equals to 2, y is equals to 3. X is equals to 3 means 3 2s are 6, minus 6 plus 12 means 6 you will get. Yes or no? Then last but not least 0, 4. Substitute that 0, 4. What you will get? 16 you will get. What they are asking, maximize or minimize? Minimize. What is the minimum value out of this? Minus 12 or 0? Minus 12. No? So right here minimum. Minimum. So final statement is, therefore the minimum value is minus 12 at which point we got minus 12? Capital B 4, 0. So these all are small points are important, student. Writing last this one, then mentioning here feasible region, mentioning here all the points. If you miss anything, you are going to lose 1 mark. So this is 6 marks.